Let's go ahead and take a look at some notes before we move on to the next problem. I'm going to be working with two z-values here, and because we have two different ones, let's go ahead and use this notation with these subscripts of 1 just to denote the difference between each one of them. So I have r cosine theta plus I sine theta for my first z-value and also for my second one. Now when we take a look at the product, we're going to be multiplying two pieces together here, and when we do that, we're going to multiply the two radial values, and when it comes to this second part of our formula, we're going to be adding the angle measures, theta 1 and theta 2. This plus sign is going to stay inside your formula. When we look at taking the quotient of these two pieces, we're going to take the quotient of our radial values, and inside this part of our formula, we're going to be subtracting the angle measures. And then our last theorem here is going to take a look at what happens when we raise this z-value to an exponent. We have some criteria here. That number has to be something positive, it's an integer, and an n value that would be greater than or equal to 1 in this case. When we're taking a look at rewriting these, we're going to take the radial value to that power n, and inside our parentheses here, when we're talking about the angle measures, it's going to be that n value, which in our case is the exponent, times our angle measure.